This is going to be a little bit of metric conversion practice for those of you who need a little extra help. So here's our step ladder. At the center of our step ladder are the base units, gram, meter, and meter. To the right, we have our prefixes deci, centi, and milli. To the left, we have deca, hecto, and kilo. We're going to do a few practice problems. So let me erase these for right now. And let's start with our first practice problem. Let's make this a little bigger. 1.3 meters. And I want to know how many millimeters that's going to be. Pull this down a little bit. Great. All right, so the first thing we need to do is figure out where we're starting. Meters is our base unit. So we're starting here. And we're going to millimeters all the way down here. The question we have to ask ourselves is, which direction are we moving? And for this, we're moving to the right. Next, we have to ask ourselves, how many steps does it take us to get from meters to millimeters? So we count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps to the right. I always think it's a good idea to rewrite your number so that you have a little more space to work with. And then let's move our decimal 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Our decimal here, we've got an open space and an open space here. And that gives us 1300, or 1,300 millimeters. Now, you can keep this decimal at the end if it's helpful for you, but in a whole number, it doesn't matter. All right. Let's erase this and try a new problem. Make it big, make it red. All right, let's try 0.0713 kilograms. And I want to know how many grams that is. So now we're starting at kilo up here, and we're going to gram, our base unit, down here. So we're going to the right. And we want to know how many times we are going to the right. 1, 2, 3. On your paper, if it's useful to you to draw out all these steps like this, please feel free to do so. All right, we have 0.0713 kilograms. Kilograms off for this. And we'll move our decimal to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Our decimal point goes right in between the 1 and the 3. So our answer becomes 0.071.3. Now, I would just leave the zeros in so that you don't confuse yourself when you're trying to erase them, but it's okay if you take them off too and just leave it as 71.3 grams. All right, let's try one more. Let's do 82.45 centimeters. And I want to know how many kilometers that is. So start off with centi down here and kilo up here. So this time we're going to the left. Got to count how many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to the left. So we're going to rewrite our number, 82.45, and we're going to move this decimal 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our decimal out front, fill in the spaces with zeros, and our answer becomes 0.000824. So here the decimal is extremely important. to keep in there because it's showing us that it is a smaller number than a whole number. It's a decimal. Please, if you still are having trouble, come see me for help, but hopefully this helps you clear up a little bit of the confusion for our conversion practice.